Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up Google Analytics in 2025. So whether you are running a website or a blog or any of the online stores, Google Analytics is going to help you track the visitors, traffic sources and performance all in one dashboard. So let's go through the full setup process using the latest GA4 interface. So first of all, you need to come here on the website of marketingplatform.google.com. You can also search for analytics.google.com if you want to access the Google Analytics over here. Now, whichever domain you have entered here in your web browser, you will be landed here on this page. Now here, simply click on the option of Get Started Today and sign in here with the help of your email account. Afterwards, simply click on the option of Start Measuring. Then you need to fill out this particular form that has 5 simple steps. First of all, select your account name. After entering your account name, you just have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the option of Next here in the bottom. Now in the property creation section, you just have to select the property details. So here you just have to provide your property name. After that, you just have to select the time zone and the country and the currency. Then press next here in the bottom. After that, select the industry in which you are in and select the business size and press next here in the bottom. After that, in the business objectives, you just have to select one of the options that are given over here. So let's say I'm going to be selecting generate leads, then click on the option of create. Now over here, it is going to give you this type of terms and conditions page. So you just have to accept it all. So after accepting it, simply click on the option of I accept, then wait for some time until it shows you or redirects you here on the next page. Now simply click on the option of continue to home, and there you go, you have successfully created your Google Analytics account. Now in order to set it up, you will have to simply just click on the option of go to stream setup and provide some of your details in order to set it up properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.